Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. Tonight, we will enter an ancient forest to learn the story of a cunning and clever crow. The story tonight is the Emerald Crow. If you enjoyed my story, please remember to bookmark, like, follow, and share. Your support is appreciated. In an ancient forest, there was a crow unlike any other. Its feathers didn't bear the usual black hue, but shimmered with a mysterious green light. This crow was known as Emerald, as its feathers resembled the color of an emerald gem. Emerald was a cunning and intelligent crow. Instead of merely foraging for food like its counterparts, it had its own goals and plans. Perched atop a colossal ancient tree, its nest overlooked the entire forest, offering a vantage point to observe everything. One day, faint cries echoed through the forest. Emerald flew to the source and discovered a lost baby squirrel. It seemed to have wandered away from home and couldn't find its way back. Rather than immediately flying away, Emerald landed beside the distressed squirrel. "Hey, little one, what's the matter?" Emerald inquired with a questioning tone. The baby squirrel looked up, eyes filled with tears, and explained to Emerald that it had left home and was now unsure how to return. After a moment of contemplation, Emerald proposed a deal. "If you promise to give me a shiny chestnut, I'll take you home. How about that?" Emerald slyly smiled. The baby squirrel hesitated, but eventually nodded. So, Emerald led the way through the forest, passing a blue lake and an ancient stone bridge. Finally, they arrived at the baby squirrel's home. The baby squirrel joyfully produced a shiny chestnut and handed it to Emerald. Taking the chestnut, Emerald nodded in approval, then flew back to its nest. However, instead of consuming the chestnut, it preserved it in the nest, considering it a bargaining chip for future dealings. Emerald's nest became a legendary tale in the forest, and other animals heard about this cunning crow. Some considered Emerald unreliable, while others thought of it as exceptionally clever and well-versed in the art of negotiation. As time passed, Emerald engaged in more trades with other animals, accumulating a wealth of valuable food and jewels. It became a petite yet influential leader in the forest, and other animals were willing to associate with it, knowing that Emerald could always provide what they desired. The cunning and cleverness of Emerald became a forest legend, and its story echoed among the trees, becoming a fable that depicted the delicate balance between cunning and wisdom. Meanwhile, Emerald Inc. continued to wait in its nest for the next opportunity to trade, using its shimmering green light and astute mind to guide the rhythm of the entire forest.